Hello, this is George Geldin of Geldin Insurance Services with a message regarding individual health insurance. It's an individual insurance update for April of 2015. Right now, oh, and by the way, this message is for people who are on individual insurance, not people who are on Medicare. We are presently at the very end of the extended special enrollment for people who have no health insurance, and that's going to end on April 30th. Once that's over, in order to apply for individual insurance, the applicant would need to have a special qualifying life event to apply for individual health insurance. One of those qualifying life events would be getting married, having a baby, coming off of group health insurance involuntarily, exhausting COBRA coverage. Those are ways in which an applicant would have the ability to enroll in health insurance, individual health insurance, during the rest of this calendar year. Other than that, you have to wait until the next open enrollment, which is at the end of this year, to be effective January 1st of 2016 in order to enroll for health insurance or to switch plans. We anticipate a lot of changes coming down the pipe at the end of this year for 2016. So keep your eye on that. But the main purpose, I think, of this message is for people who have individual insurance right now is my stern, I don't know how stern I can make a warning, please pay your insurance on time. As you may or may not know, there's a 30-day grace on your insurance premium. It's due usually the first of the month, and then you have 30 days to pay it. That's the grace period. In the past, people have been able to extend that, and insurance carriers have accepted payments well beyond that, and they would reinstate policies. Insurance carriers are not doing that anymore. So if you're late, if you go beyond the 30 days, they will cancel that person, and they are not allowing for any kind of reinstatement, and we've already run into a lot of that. So please pay your premiums on time, because we won't be able to get you new coverage until the beginning of January of next year if your individual policy gets canceled. Also, for those people who are on Covered California and who are getting a subsidy, your subsidy is based on your income, your reported income to Covered California. And as you probably, the more you make, the less subsidy they give you, and vice versa. Well, if your income changes during the year, it is very important that you notify Covered California within 30 days of what they call a substantial income change, so they can adjust your subsidy. If you do not do that and your income is different, especially vastly different than what you anticipated it was going to be this year, you may have to pay back part or all of the subsidy when you do your taxes next year for 2015. So stay on top of that. If you're getting a subsidy from Covered California, please keep in touch with them as to reporting any income changes. That's it for now. Have a wonderful rest of spring and summer ahead, and be well and happy. Take care.